Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up YouTube Music if you're using it for the very first time. So let's get started. First of all, download the YouTube Music app from the App Store or Google Play Store and open it up. Then simply tap on Sign In and choose your Google account so that everything stays synced across your devices. You can also check out YouTube Music Premium if you want features like offline listening and ad-free playback, but that's totally optional. Now, once you're signed in, explore the Home tab which shows recommended mixes, trending songs and personalized playlists. The Library tab is where you'll find your saved songs, albums and playlists. Then, the Explore tab is perfect for discovering new music by genre, mood or top charts. Lastly, head into settings by tapping on your profile picture at the top right corner. From here, you can manage downloads for offline listening, adjust streaming quality and set your preferences. And that's all. You're now ready to enjoy YouTube Music with personalized recommendations and playlists. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.